Bro, people are literally betting on everything these days. Like, not just who wins the election, they are betting on will Bitcoin reach 200k this week? Or maybe OpenAI launching their own browser? Wait, where are people doing that? On Twitter polls or what? Nah bro, welcome to Polymarket, the internet's crystal ball that pays you when you are correct. So here is the T. Polymarket is a decentralized prediction market built on top of Polygon. Here people bet real money on real life events, no middlemen, just pure crowd intelligence. So is it like gambling? Not really, it's like gambling but with IQ. You are basically trading opinions. If you think something is gonna happen, you buy yes. Otherwise you buy no. When it's over, you either win or lose. Simple, transparent and on-chain. Now here is why Polymarket leads the pack. They did over $1 billion in trading volume in July alone, which is more than half of what others did in the same month. Wait, $1 billion in just bets? Yup, and it's not even US only like Kalsi, it's global. Anyone with a wallet can join with no KYC and no nonsense. It's fast, cheap and runs on Polygon, so gas fees basically zero. And this year they leveled up hard. They acquired a CFTC license exchange, which means they are now legally operating in US. Oh, and did I mention that Donald Trump Jr. invested? Wait, Trump Jr., you mean people are legally betting now? Exactly, prediction markets are going mainstream and Polymarket just became the first to pull it off without losing its crypto edge. Here is what makes Polymarket fun. It's the internet's mood board in real time. If people are talking about it, there is probably a market for it. From politics to meme coins to like celebrity dramas, you have it all. So in short, I can bet on what world is thinking, right? Exactly, and you are not gambling, you are just participating in a collective intelligence. Think of it like a Twitter poll with a payout button and a wallet option. So next time when someone says you can't predict the future, smile and say, yeah, but I can make profit from it. That's deep and slightly degenerate. Exactly how Web3 likes it.